How to sell your house fast in Florida. My name is Braden Milner and I'm a realtor with Florida Future Realty. I bring a wealth of experience in online marketing strategies that help get your home in front of the most buyers and sold for the most money in the quickest time possible. In this video, I will be sharing some tips and tricks to help you sell your house fast in Florida and get the most profit out of the sale. When it comes to selling a house, time is money. The longer a home sits on the market, the lower its value becomes. That's why it's crucial to sell your home as quickly as possible while still getting the most profit out of the sale. By doing so, you can move on to the next chapter of your life and achieve your financial goals. In this video, I'll discuss how to sell your house fast in Florida, the quickest way a sale can go through, and the most profitable way to sell your house. By following these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of a successful sale and achieve your desired outcome. How can I sell my house fast in Florida? Selling a house can be a difficult task, but with the right strategy, it can be done quickly and for the most profit. Here are some tips for selling your house fast in Florida. Tip 1. Price it right. One of the most important factors in selling a home quickly is pricing it right. Here's how. Research the local market. Researching the local market to determine the value of your home. Look at comparable home sales in your area that have recently sold and see how long they were on the market for. This will give you an idea of what buyers are willing to pay for homes comparable to yours. Set a competitive price. Set a competitive price that is in line with the local market. Don't overprice your homes that can turn away potential buyers. Make it attractive. Make your home as attractive as possible to potential buyers by following these steps. Declutter and depersonalize. Remove any clutter or personal items from your home to make it look more spacious and neutral. This allows buyers to envision themselves living in the space. Stage the home. Stage your home by arranging furniture in a way that maximizes space and highlights the best features of your home. Consider hiring a professional home stager for the best results. Market it aggressively. Marketing your home is crucial to attracting potential buyers. Here's how to do it. Use high-quality photos and videos. Take high-quality photos and videos of your home to showcase its best features. Consider hiring a professional photographer for the best results. Advertise on social media and other online platforms. Advertise your home on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, as well as real estate websites like Zillow and Realtor.com. This will allow your home to be seen by a wider audience. Work with a real estate agent who specializes in selling homes quickly. Working with a real estate agent who specializes in selling homes quickly can make all the difference. Here's what to look out for. Discuss the agent's strategies for selling quickly. Talk to your agent about their strategies for selling your home quickly. Ask about their experience in your local market and what they can do to make your home stand out from the competition. Review the agent's track record. Review the agent's track record to see if they have a history of selling homes quickly and for the most profit. Look at online reviews and ask for references if needed. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to selling your home quickly and for the most profit. What's the quickest way a house sale can go through? In today's real estate market, time is of the essence. Home sellers want to sell their properties quickly to avoid any further expenses and move on to their next home. But what is the quickest way a home sale can go through? In this section, we'll explore the various factors that can impact the speed of a home sale. Several factors can impact how quickly a home can sell. These include local market conditions, pricing strategy, condition of the home, and buyer financing. Local market conditions. The real estate market in your area can greatly impact how quickly your home sells. If there's a high demand for homes in your neighborhood and limited inventory, your home may sell quickly. Conversely, if there are many homes for sale in your area, it may take longer to find a buyer. Pricing strategies. Pricing your home right is critical to selling it quickly. Setting a competitive price based on comparable home sales in your area can attract more potential buyers and generate multiple offers. Condition of the home. Homes that are in good condition and staged to highlight their best features are more likely to sell quickly. On the other hand, homes that require significant repairs or updates may take longer to sell. Buyer financing. The financing and mortgage approvals process can impact the speed of a home sale. Cash buyers or buyers with pre-approved mortgages can move more quickly, while those without financing in place may need to take more time in order to secure a loan. What's the most profitable way to sell my house? Selling a house can be a complicated process, and one of the most important decisions that you can make is how you'll sell it. In this section, we'll compare and contrast the different ways to sell a home and help you determine the most profitable option for you. What are the different ways to sell a home? Selling on your own, for sale by owner. Selling a home on your own means that you do not hire a real estate agent to represent you. You are responsible for pricing the home, marketing it, and negotiating with potential buyers. Working with a discount brokerage. A discount broker offers a reduced commission fee compared to a traditional real estate agent. However, they may provide fewer services and offer less exposure to potential buyers. Using a traditional real estate agent. A traditional real estate agent is licensed to represent sellers and buyers in real estate transactions. They provide a range of services including pricing the home, marketing it, negotiating with buyers, and handling the closing process. What are some of the pros and cons of each? Savings on commission versus exposure to more buyers. Selling on your own or using a discount broker may save you money on commission fees, but you may not have the same level of exposure to potential buyers as you would with a traditional real estate agent. Control of the sale versus expertise and experience of an agent. Selling on your own or using a discount broker gives you more control over the sale process, but you may not have the same level of expertise and experience as a traditional real estate agent. The most profitable way to sell your home will depend on your goals and circumstances. If you have experience selling homes, selling on your own may be a great option for you. However, if you want more exposure to potential buyers, a traditional real estate agent may be the way to go. Ultimately, the decision on how to sell your home should be based on what's most important to you. In conclusion, selling a house quickly and profitably in Florida requires careful planning and execution. Pricing your home competitively, making it attractive, marketing it aggressively, and working with a real estate agent who specializes in selling homes quickly are some of the key factors that can help you achieve your goals. Additional tips for selling a home quickly and profitably in Florida include timing the sale. Late summer and early winter are typically the best times to sell a home in Florida. Maximizing curb appeal. Spruce up your home's exterior to create a good first impression. Being flexible with showings. Be willing to accommodate potential buyers' schedules to increase your chances of a quick sale. If you're interested in learning more about selling your home quickly and for the most money in Florida, or if you would like to schedule a consultation, I would love to assist you. I would be happy to answer any questions that you may have and help you achieve your real estate goals. I can be reached anytime via call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also visit my website, bradenmilner.com, for my full list of seller services, educational resources, property search, and much more. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.